Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of January 10th through the 16th in my Recollections planner. This week I'm using this kit from Bella Digital Designs. I think this is the January 2019 freebie kit, but it's all these cute patterns and this cute little like deer or something. I printed off the full kit, so that's full boxes, full box checklist, a bunch of functionals. This page has headers. These actually have words on them. It's hard to tell with the camera. A few little things, some icons, weekend banner, bottom washi. These are more full boxes that could be cut into washi strips if needed. A full weekly thing, and then a few more functional stuff. So basically my plan is to put down like all of the functionals. I'm going to do as to do today littles. As my usual order. I'm going to put down the bottom washi. I'm going to put down the weekend banner. I'm going to put down the full box checklists. I'm going to do all of those things to get kind of the foundation, and then I'll come back and we can do all the interesting bits. Okay, here is where we currently stand. I'm really liking how it looks. I realize some of these are more brown than others because of how my printer printed, but I don't care. I think it looks cute. Everything is laid down on this base, so now we can do the full boxes. I feel like this is the obvious choice of full box for the quote box, since it's like the only one that's like an actual image kind of situation. Didn't cut that straight apparently. Whatever. Then I feel like there's two that are not white, basically. Ooh, there is that bunny too. All right, I'm gonna put the bunny in the middle. I feel like that most goes with the deer. If I can get it up. Maybe not. It might be just trapped on my paper forever. I cut some of these lines a little deep apparently. And then other ones just didn't cut cleanly at all because I am terrible with a slice tool. So there we are. That's super crooked. And it's tearing now. I'm just gonna leave it. It can just stay crooked because I don't feel like finding my whatever. It's gonna be fine. I feel like maybe this one. And this one next. I don't really know. I don't have like a strong rhyme or reason for this. I just feel like they're two of the more graphic ones. So maybe good choices next. Next I want to use the ones that have not white backgrounds. Maybe I'll try laying it down this way. Maybe that will result in it being closer to straight at least. Maybe. I don't know. It always ends up looking cute even when it's kind of a disaster. So I'm just gonna not stress about it too much. And then this one's like the same color as that colored blue background that I just did. So I'm gonna put that one over there. And then if I can get the scribbly scraps to let go, which would be great. Now they're all just attaching themselves to me instead. All right, this one goes here. We've got this. All right, that looks cute. for the sidebar, I'm going to use both habit trackers. I don't strictly need them. If you guys saw my Kit Life setup, I now have habit trackers in my Kit Life. But sometimes it's just fun to put them in here, and I have the space, so why not? I'm just gonna do it. This one is like too long because I apparently don't know how to cut things. I think I just forgot to cut one of the sides off, and now I'm just like throwing my scissors. We're doing great today. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna stick this one down first. And I'm gonna stick this one down underneath. I think my plan is to do self-care and Pepper's teeth. Those are probably like the biggest things I'm working on, so it seems logical to just keep following up on those. Next up, I'm gonna pull this guy, which probably can't tell because my printer doesn't print super saturated with this really light gray color. Maybe something I need to work on, but probably not going to happen. So this says meals. What I'm actually going to do is I have this like Pentel color pen, fine point, in this yellow color. I'm just going to write over where it says meals. There we go. I feel like that coordinates pretty well with this yellow, so I think that's fine. Gonna put down the weekly box to go with that. And then underneath that, do I want the this week maybe? Sure. I'll do the one that says this week as well. Now I got scrippy scraps like all over myself. But it's fine. I'm just going to fill this one in the same way. This week. All right, not perfectly over the writing that was there, but I think it's like good enough. And I would rather make it so that these stickers are a little bit more easily legible, because otherwise I will be like, what did I even put down? That would definitely be something that would happen to me. All right, scrippy scraps attacking everywhere. And I put down this guy like so. All right, sidebar is done. Next up are the weekly plans. My plan is to take these 4 guys here, and then I think I'm gonna use this one as well. So I'm gonna take these 5 little circles, and these are going to be for my work day. I don't know why I'm picking them all up right now, but I feel that that's necessary. So I'm just gonna keep going. At this point, it's just what's happening. So that's what I'm gonna do. I feel like I want, sure, like this one here. I'm like mostly randomly just sticking them in, but trying not to stick 2 that have like the exact same colors next to each other. So there's that. That's for work. The other thing I have going on Monday that I need to mark is I'm going to post my plan with me. I'm going to use these little flag guys, but I'm going to turn them sideways. I know it's not the same way the arrows go otherwise, but I think it still looks cute. So that's Monday. Tuesday. Ooh, I forgot to pull. Oh, that's fine. We're only playing 1 curling match this week because we have a bye on Thursday. So I'm going to just use this little weightlifting guy because I don't lift weights. And I'm just going to stick that right there. I will mark the rest of my workouts in some other way, probably just sticking them in down here. Other than that, let's see. I need my little work guys here on the second half of the week. Then I'm going to post another video on Friday. My plan is to post my December monthly, like the wrap up and everything. It'll already be out by the time you guys see this, so you'll see what I actually end up posting. But that's the plan, is to post that. So there's that. The 15th and 16th, I don't know what's going on. So I'm just going to have this like pretty boring pre-planning. But it's getting me back into the swing of a regular week, all of that good stuff. Since the week before this was, you know, re-entry, I feel like this is back in the swing of regularness. So this is pretty much what my pre-planning's been looking like for the last, since the pandemic started, I guess. So I think this is pretty much it. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread.